To design your product, you work with customers, suppliers, and manufacturers all over the world, which means you likely need to use models in your design that originate in CAD applications different from what you use. And while translation support and accuracy has certainly improved, when those non-native files change, the rework involved in re-importing and reapplying all the references and constraints you made to the original file usually result in wasted time and effort. Autodesk Inventor changes the way you work with non-native data. With any CAD technology, instead of translating files, you just open them using the reference model option. You can insert parts or subassemblies into your designs error-free while maintaining a link to the original file. Templates can be created for mapping properties from the source file to standard Inventor properties, with the ability to override or retrieve the original properties at any point. And from here, you can apply constraints, build references, and even run interference checks, just as if it were a native Inventor model. But product design is an evolving process, and changes are inevitable, even for supplied components. Typically, when a translated file is changed, the outdated version is replaced in the assembly, and any constraints, properties, and component references must be manually updated. With any CAD technology, when you receive updated design files, the changes to the model can be updated in a single click while preserving the work you've already completed. There are also situations where you need to make edits to the imported model directly inside Inventor. For this, you can still accurately translate files from virtually any CAD system in use today, and then use the direct editing toolset inside Inventor to modify the design of the imported part to meet the requirements of your product. Mesh geometry is increasingly used as a lightweight format for sharing information between design teams. Mesh data can be brought into Inventor assemblies and constrained and patterned similar to native geometry. Interference detection, measuring, and sectioning tools can all be used on mesh geometry to help you design parts in context. And if needed, mesh points can be projected into sketches, or clean surfaces can be fitted to groups of mesh facets, enabling you to build an editable model. Autodesk Inventor, with any CAD technology, error-free file translation, and mesh geometry support, makes it easier than ever for you to work with non-native data so you can work with anyone, anywhere, regardless of what CAD software they use.